What should I talk about today? Well, let's see. This guy's done. Finished that a little while ago. Test straight. Runs okay. Plug it in later. AR88. Don't like this cabinet that much, but oh well. I reinforced it at the back. As far as the steel, because it's a little short, protrudes out the switch and the fuse, which could be, if you're moving around, or could break them. Not put up bumpers, steel bumpers, and added all these screws here, which fits into a rack. It's going to mount in that one, but oh well, it's too short. So on to other things. What else came in? Oh, Barbara. Anyway, something cool here came in. Amazing condition. Oh. Totally complete. What is it? Morse code copier. Morse code reader. It's brand new in some ways. Sitting forever somewhere. Little ink bottle. Would fit up here. Yeah, this is really cool because I checked it quickly and it seems to be A-OK. What do we have here? I should move it around. It's very heavy. That's a heavy bugger. The Warren Manufacturing Company, Littleton, Mass. 110 volts, 230 volts AC, 5060 cycle. Code recorder type, RD 50U. What's the serial number on that? I can't quite read that. 22, 28. Any dates? So this guy is came with a reel of tape here that goes through all these wheels and things. Everything inside is fine. Increase and reduce speed. No, what is something like this? Been sitting forever somewhere. And came with spare parts. See what we can find here. Ooh. USA SMC. Tape. It's the tape. I believe it's. Any other dates on this guy? January 1966. Cool. Use with, yeah, blah, blah, blah. So it's got all these little extra pens in here. All these spare parts. In these envelopes, actually. One each. A pen. So cool. I was watching the video, George Hathaway presentation of the HP series colorimeter. I decided to check eBay and see if there's any of those around, and there is. It's in Australia, but they come up and down once in a while. I have no use for it, but maybe Bob Greener has a use for something like that. So I sent him the link to that calorimeter here in Australia. What was it? HP 3432 or something? I don't forget. we have here an actual toolkit inside here. So this is cool. Spare fuses, other spare bits and pieces and parts and tools. I wonder what this is. Ooh. That's probably one of a kind, huh? Whoop. An eyedropper. I love it. Is the rubber okay? Yeah, still flexible. Still flexible. Little tools. Is that a screw? It is a screwdriver. Wow. Can't beat that. Something else in here. What else? We got some Allen keys, so that fits in there. Spare light bulbs, Allen keys. Eyedropper was in there like that. Little screwdriver went. This is too cool, huh? Are we closing it properly? Spare parts kit. Yeah, this stuff is really cool. So I would think this here, which I'll do in a while. Slowly figure it out. This would slide in here, go down and drop ink in. I'd drop down and get stamped with dots and dashes, I'm sure. I wonder how you read it. Well, I'll learn that. A sensor here, I know from other ones I had. I see the sensor. Could read it. And we have high and low speeds, AC, on and off, pulse. Filter, in, out, operate, standby, speed controls, signal level. Oh, how cool is that? Pen reverse, monitor, pen power. Ooh. Yeah, that's a hell of a gem. Inside is mint condition motor, vacuum tubes, and all of that good stuff. So this guy is a take-up reel, I think. Go over here somewhere. Spucky. To get more tape like this, well, I guess you just get find something that's already manufactured and just reel it up, I guess. That's a real old gem. That's fun, Barbara. How flexible is the cord? The cord seems alright. Flexible, no breaks or nothing. I'm sure it just sat somewhere forever. In Grandpa's garage or somebody, and they put it on eBay. Huh. Wow, my goodness. eBay's a virtual scrapyard. It takes hours to go through listings and listen, because somebody would list something and you never know, they don't know what it is. Oh, Grandpa, something old thing Grandpa has, or my father had, he's dead, or whatever, estate's fine and all that shit. Well, sure accumulating a lot of stuff, though. You were the Apollo. Collins Apollo radio system and ship stuff all over the place. And we even got vintage, really old down here. 30s. So we've got 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s. About that. There's an R390 over there. And it's good to get stuff you don't even know what it's for until you figure it out, right? Right. This ultra modern looking thing, which is very vintage, but wow. It's very long as a transceiver. Wow, so busy. Here's an unknown. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's again, like I mentioned in another video, somebody took pictures inside and outside a fair radio cell, so I would copy the pictures on the internet and asked Phil or Dave, do you still got those things laying around? And sure enough, they did. Do. Do. Anyway, I learn something new every day. Number one. Around the corner. More goodies, of course. Stacking them up like this until I get more racks. Yeah, it's getting good. The pile's getting there. Antenna positioning system. Transmitters. Receivers. Kick-ass monster this thing is. And there's more coming. It'll go well with this multiple signal generator. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 30, 40. About 60, no, 100. Each one of those white dots is a signal generator. You can adjust it. The intensity, the external modulation. Things are happening. Throw the switch. Literally, I think. Heave it. Let's take a look at these fellows. Guess they call these an EVO producer. These are 2 high voltage power packs. We'll feed these capacitors. Then I'm going to get a variac. Make my own DC supply to go with a lot of amperes. Transmitter. More high voltage goodies. Yeah. Ooh. This little aircraft transmitter. Hell yeah, there she goes! It should be okay there. Yeah, okay, so. Already got some of the stuff positioned. It's going to be interesting too. Positioned, meaning mounted kind of thing. So we got these guys here intermingled in other things. And this new here, Hammerland Super Pro Helicopters military version. This is cool, one of a kind. Sonar. Then here's the lifting post, which I put together in the summer. And position these here, spook radio. detector system. So I'm going to put some stuff here. Well, I'll figure it all out. It's always fun figuring it out. Hey, boss! I don't know about space in this thing. No. I don't know. This moved. That's the only thing that moved. Because there was a 6.4 earthquake. Those are okay. Everything else there is okay. 25 miles away. That thing moved. Oh, well, okay. So that can be fixed. Oh, you're tight. Okay, we'll put your legs up. Checked around. I wouldn't want to be in here a major earthquake, things flying like these heavy things. No, thank you. Those are okay. Everything seems to be okay. Yeah. Barbara, where's my hot chocolate?